you ever wondered how people stayed healthy thousands of years ago when there were no hospitals, no medicines, and no doctors like we have today? Long before modern science began, our ancestors had discovered a system that helped them heal the body, calm the mind, and live in perfect balance with nature. It wasn't just a treatment, it was a way of living, a complete science of life. That ancient system is called Ayurveda. Hi everyone, welcome back to Page Pulse by Lee. Today we are going to travel back in time and uncover one of the oldest healing systems in the world, born right here in India and still guiding millions of people today. The word Ayurveda comes from two Sanskrit words, Ayur, which means life, and Veda, which means knowledge or science. So Ayurveda literally means the science of life. It's not only about curing diseases, but also about understanding how to live wisely, stay healthy, and prevent sickness before it begins. It teaches us how to live in harmony with our body, mind, and the world around us. Thousands of years ago, Indian sages carefully studied everything in nature: the sky, air, water, fire, plants, and even the human body. They realized that everything in the universe, including us, is made up of 5 basic elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. These elements combine in different ways inside our body to form what Ayurveda calls the 3 doshas: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. According to Ayurveda, Vata is a mix of air and space and controls movement. It helps us breathe, blink, and move. Pitta is made of fire and water, controls digestion and energy. It keeps our body warm and helps us think clearly. Kapha, made up of earth and water, gives strength and stability. It builds our bones and muscles. Every person has all 3 doshas, but 1 or 2 are usually stronger, and that's what makes each of us unique. When the doshas are balanced, we stay healthy, active, and happy. But when they go out of balance, through wrong food, stress, or lifestyle, illness begins. Ayurveda's goal is to bring that balance back, not just by using medicines, but by teaching us how to live correctly every day. It tells us what time to wake up, when to eat, how to rest, and how to stay connected with nature. For example, Ayurveda says it's best to wake up before sunrise because the air is pure and calm at that time. It also says we should eat only when we are truly hungry and never eat too late at night, something our grandparents have always told us. Drinking warm water in the morning, eating fresh seasonal food, and taking time to relax are all part of Ayurveda living. Ayurveda also treasures the power of nature's pharmacy, the herbs and spices that we still use daily. Turmeric, for example, helps fight inflammation and strengthens our immunity. Tulsi or holy basil clears cough and supports breathing. Ashwagandha helps the body deal with stress and tiredness. Neem purifies the blood and keeps the skin clean. Amla or Indian gooseberry is one of the richest sources of vitamin C and keeps hair and digestion healthy. These are not just old traditions. Modern scientists continue to study these plants, and many have found real medicinal benefits. Ayurveda and yoga are like 2 sisters, both born in ancient India and both aiming to keep the body, mind, and spirit in harmony. Yoga works through movement, breathing, and meditation, while Ayurveda works through food, herbs, and daily routine. Together they remind us that health isn't just about a disease-free body, but also about peace, balance, and happiness. Over time, Ayurveda spread far beyond India. Today, people in countries like the United States, Japan, and Germany follow Ayurvedic practices for wellness. There are Ayurvedic hospitals and research centers around the world, and even universities that teaches Ayurvedic science. In India, the Ministry of Ayush, which stands for Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy, works to promote and preserve these ancient healing systems. But Ayurveda isn't about rejecting modern medicine. It's about understanding your own body, preventing illness and using natural ways to stay well. It teaches us that both traditional wisdom and modern science can work hand in hand. If we think deeply, Ayurveda gives us one timeless message that real health doesn't come from only pills or hospitals. It comes from how we live every day, the food we eat, the thoughts we think, the kindness we show, and the balance we keep in our life. It tells us to eat what suits our body, wake up early with the sun, stay kind and calm, and live with awareness. That's why, even after more than 5,000 years, Ayurveda still matters, perhaps even more today than ever before. So the next time you sip a cup of turmeric milk or enjoy the cool morning breeze, remember, you're not just following a routine, you're practicing the wisdom of your ancestors, the timeless science of Ayurveda. It's the art of balance, the science of life, and the secret to living well, naturally. If you enjoyed this journey into India's ancient wisdom, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Because every ancient idea hides a beautiful story worth discovering. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy and keep exploring. Signing off, Page Pulse Bailey. See you next time.